Amazon cardboard! Tearing a strip straight from the box. Sustainable, resourceful, also free. Fold it, jam it between the jars. Uncle Ven is a recycling icon. Bezos contributed to the operation. Mistra is thirsty. Again. I walk past the exercise bench, past my forgotten cardio aspirations, to the big jug. Unscrew the cap, open Atticus's side flap, and pour. Glug, glug, glug. The sound of life. The sound of Mistra hydrating. The sound of me knowing I'll be doing this again in 8 hours. Cap back on. Flap zipped. Until next time, my queen. Inoculation hour. Lion's mane liquid culture. 10 milliliters. Shake it. Shake it harder. Break up the mycelium clumps. Every cell needs to be loose and ready. Tear open the needle pack. Screw it on tight. Don't touch the tip. Pierce the red port. 1 squirt of mycelium juice per jar. Jar 1. Jar 2. Jar 3. 4. 5. Did I flame sterilize between jars? No. Will the mycology purists yell at me? Probably. Did Uncle Ven cut a corner? Yes. Will I learn from it? Maybe. Round 2 of injections. Insert needle, squeeze, release. Then I do something the textbooks hate. I pull the plunger back while still inside the jar. Why? To suck in a little of the spawn air, mix it with what's left in the syringe, amateur priming. And then the needle touched the filter patch. By accident. Mycology gods, forgive me. Or don't. We'll see how it grows. My beautiful babies. 5 jars, all inoculated, all labeled. Lion's mane, 10 mil, straight from the lab. Now we wait. Now they colonize. Now I lose sleep. Coca-Cola strikes again, squeezing my favorite bottle onto a pile of substrate pellets on a scale with surgical precision. Coca-Cola, you are now in every video. Atlanta, call me. I will accept payment in syrup. Wheat bran goes in, scale climbs. Math is math. Substrate's getting fancy. Mixing time. Both hands in. Yellow gloves deep in the substrate. Pull from the corners. Fold it back to the center. Break the clumps. Every piece of pellet needs water. Every grain needs to feel loved. This is the meditation. This is the work. This is what therapy costs. Free therapy. Weighing the babies. Black trowel, yellow gloves, 1 scoop at a time. Each bag gets exactly what each bag needs. Some bags get more love than others. I have favorites. Don't tell them. Scoop number 40. My back is gone. My knees are negotiating, but the substrate must flow. 1 more bag, 1 more dream, 1 more potential casualty. Onward!